Set well back from the street, nestled behind a beautiful raised perennial garden, welcome to 106 Alva Street in historic Port Perry. An amazing brick bungalow situated on a park-like 1/3 of an acre lot, this home showcases a paved circular driveway with lighting, a heated 1.5 car garage, professionally landscaped gardens, and a premium-sized backyard. The interlocking of the front patio and steps continues to the gated entry into the backyard, and the vibrantly colored front door invites you into a home that blends modern finishes with classic design details. Gleaming hardwood floors flow throughout most of the main level, while the generously sized great room has the finishing touch of crown moldings. Large enough for a combined living and dining room, this beautiful entertaining space overlooks the backyard and has an oversized picture window allowing for unobstructed views. Entertaining can easily spill outside through a sliding door walkout, where a huge deck provides plenty of room for dining, conversation, and relaxation, while enjoying the park-like surroundings of this fully fenced and private outdoor oasis, which is also accessible from the garage. Beautifully renovated, the kitchen has a pocket door entry and showcases a modern light fixture in its breakfast area, pot lighting, cabinetry with molded uppers and under cabinet lighting, granite counters with butcher block counters on either side of the stove, 4 appliances, and a chalkboard. The tiled front foyer has a double coat closet, and along the bedroom hallway is another double closet, as well as a linen closet right outside the entrance to the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor, bath area, and vanity backsplash. All 3 main level bedrooms have contemporary light fixtures and large windows for natural brightness. The second bedroom has a double closet, the master bedroom has a mirrored door double closet, while the third bedroom is finished with a wood plank accent wall. The kitchen also has access to the garage, and the garage itself provides a separate entrance to a fully finished lower level that is ideal for extended families. Finished with vinyl plank flooring throughout, this level features abundant storage, a spacious eat-in kitchen with fridge, stove, and plenty of cabinetry storage, including a pantry, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, a pedestal sink, and a corner glass shower, a French door entry into a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, counter workspace, and a stainless steel sink, as well as a spacious bedroom. This bedroom also has a French door entry from the family recreation area, which is exceptionally sized and showcases painted brick as a wainscoting style accent along its walls. which are finished with simple yet elegant trims. This home enjoys a wonderful location and is walking distance to numerous neighborhood amenities, including Port Perry's waterfront park and marina along Lake Scugog, as well as its historic downtown. While access to Highway 407 for commuting across the GTA is just a short drive away.